Have you ever felt as if you try to figure out why is it that I keep failing when it comes to trading? No matter what the market is, you're actually trading as a whole, but it puts you in a position to where you maybe want to think about quitting at the same time, because you continuously are blowing through accounts, blowing money, and it's not a good feeling to know, even if it's a small, say $1,000 account of your own capital that you saved up. And you know that when it comes to trading, this is very risky business as it is, and you have to really train yourself, educate yourself on the proper ways to trade. So how many of you out there are feeling like, hey, I can't do this? I'm in a failing position to where I don't think I'm ever going to learn this. For me, I'm a futures trader, and it took me time, 2 years in before I really started, figuring things out. I failed at trading because of, not understanding market structure the correct way. I was taking trades against the grain, meaning moving in the opposite direction of what the institution was doing. And it wasn't until I actually opened my eyes to figure out I need to be trading with them, not against them. What is it that I'm doing actually incorrect? And I would say this, I didn't have my own strategy nailed down or devised on something that I could actually trade myself. I turned to the range charts because I felt as if they were cleaner to the eye to me and looking at the charts, and I was able to read them. So that's where I really started focusing in on and zeroing in, being able to start with the clean slate to understand what is it that I could tweak or change that will allow me to be able to read the charts clear and understand structure. That's when I started to really focus in on naked charts, on trading just purely the range, off of range bars, okay? Now, a lot of you out there, let me say this, you've probably been taking in tons of advice, and it hasn't just been working out for you, and a lot of you are jumping from one strategy to the next strategy to the next. Let me say this right now. You need to spend time really focusing in on one particular strategy. And this is the advice I want to give everyone out there who feels as if they're in a failing position, constantly blowing, whether it's prop firm challenges or those evaluations that you may be trying to pass. You got to understand one thing for sure with that, is that you already have devised a trading plan for yourself and a set of rules, and then you have to adhere by or follow the guidelines with the prop firms. Okay, so you got two basically rule sets that you need to follow in or be in the middle of. If not, you're going to fail on the prop side, meaning you're going to fail one of their rules, and that's going to affect you as far as blowing the challenge or not being able to take a payout. Now, we all are here to make money in this business, and to be able to withdraw at some period of time our hard-earned time in which we have invested in, to be able to take some capital away, all right, and start to put that away, whether it is enjoying some of it yourself or saving it just as well. I know the feeling of really feeling as if you need to quit while you're ahead. A lot of people do that, but I'm the type of person that I scale back. I'm not going to go in for the full gusto. I'm going to take baby steps along the way to reach the point to where I need to be at. A lot of people, they'll come in, they'll start to say, hey, I have the money to trade, and they'll drop a lot in, and then they'll turn around and lose it all. And that's going to be one and done for a lot of people out there. But if you're really serious about trading the correct way, take the proper approaches. Start small to grow and become your account larger down the road. I talk about compounding because that's extremely important. Building the building blocks you need to take as a trader, okay? It doesn't happen overnight. You have to educate in small increments and grow your mind so that you can see what's taking place on these actual charts. Now, it's not hard to do, and a lot of people make trading, I guess think it's a lot tougher than it really is. It's actually quite simple, but you've got to master certain concepts, and number one being market structure, all right? So stop feeling as if you are failing time and time again. Get back on the bandwagon. Just start to figure out, even if you got to start over from ground zero or from scratch, figure out what your mistakes are so that you can build upon yourself to become better and better and better and become great. But it all starts with learning a systematic, way of actually trading, a strategy that you can adhere to, meaning you hold yourself true to that strategy, learning from the ground up, all right? Put in the time of back testing and forward testing, and even when you are prepared yourself, over a 3-month period, 90 days to maybe 180 days of testing, and you can prove to yourself that you can be consistently profitable month to month, meaning always in the green. Guess what? Then you can, basically tell yourself, hey, I'm ready to take this thing to the next level and start to trade live. Or test the market and move on to try to trade and pass one of those evaluations with a prop firm. Nothing wrong with that as well. But don't capture yourself and trap yourself into the idea that you're just going to be able to do this overnight because somebody told you, hey, try this strategy right here. I guarantee you within a week, you're going to become profitable. No, you're going to lose money, okay? Seriously. Not all trades are going to work out. We don't control the market as retail traders. You have to understand, you may take a bad setup. You may, come to the charts and your mindset may not all be there that day. And that's when you have to, as a person, have to make the decision. I'm going to back myself out. I'm going to turn the charts off, the computer off, and then move forward. That's why I have a rule for myself, 1 to 2 trades a day. And that's going to be it. If I take a winning trade my first time and I basically am, say for example, I reach my goal of making 20 plus points on the NASDAQ a day, I'm done. I'm shutting it down. I'm going to move on. There's no sense of being greedy in this market because I'm sure a lot of you probably have experienced this. The more time you spend on the charts every single day, and then that you are, say for example, have positive trades, okay, where you have profited. Guess what? Then you go into that next trade, and what happens? You lose it all. You probably found yourself in a situation like that multiple times, and probably saying, hey, I need to adjust what I'm doing, and add something in my trading plan that, to hold myself accountable to where I'm not over trading. Too many people are doing that, and that's the reason why they blow their accounts. The greed sets in. So you got to figure out what it is that is affecting you. Is it the FOMO? Is it the greed? Is it the fear? Is it the simple fact that you just can't control yourself when it comes to the actual markets? You're chasing the dollar. Stop chasing the dollar, okay? Be able to make what you can make, be thankful for it, and then move on to the next day. That's how I was able to build an account up. I've never been a greedy person in any type of way. My problem was, like I said, always was I'm not being able to read these charts correctly. What's going on? I know I need to be following the bigger players, but I need to be able to understand what are they doing this as well. And that's why structure was so important to me to master. So that's my biggest piece of advice to you is, one, master that component, core component of market structure. But the most important advice I want to give to you today that really stands out, that you really need to focus in on, is learn one systematic way, mean a strategy, okay, and hold yourself accountable to it, perfect it, and then trade it for a period of time. You've got to give yourself some time to see if it's going to work for you. You can't trade something for 1 week and say, oh, this didn't work, move on to the next thing. When you hear me say in my videos about if something doesn't work, kind of chop it up, move on and find something else, I mean, hold true to something, give it some time to see if it's going to work, and before you start jumping around. I've been there. The more you start jumping around to certain things, the more you're going to start confusing yourself, the more things aren't going to start to make sense, and then you're going to have to be starting over from ground zero to figure out, okay, what is it that I'm doing wrong, okay? So stop feeling like a failure, or stop blowing your accounts and losing money. I don't want to see anybody quit in this business. There's no quitting unless you just have blown tons of money and you really have a problem where you're treating this business of trading more so as gambling. Then you need to quit before while you're ahead, or you're going to lose it all, because the markets don't care. They'll take everything and some from you. Seriously, okay? You have to know your limitations as far as a person, as far as a trader, and then kind of cut it off. Cut your own self off at the legs to shut yourself down, or you will lose it all in this business, and you will definitely be quitting, before you actually know it, because you won't have anything else to give the market, okay? So as a trader to trader conversation, perfect one strategy, become great at that, and then use that same system every single day. As long as it's making you money, you may have to tweak it from time to time, but as long as it's making you money, follow through to it. The strategy, how I trade, if you want to kind of understand, maybe master it and learn it, is here. I provide lots of invaluable content here on the channel. Those that really are learning this system, I'll say this now, are those that choose to become either an elite or an ultra elite supporter of the channel. It's a private community where I'm really going to deep detail discussing, what am I trying to say here? The core concepts and the system of how I actually trade, the strategy as a whole, because I provide breakdown after breakdown of trades that I've taken and go in great detail through the mindset of and the reason why I've taken those trades. It's more of a visual thing, conceptually, that people are just more visual people, when it comes to learning, even in a classroom environment. If you ever sit at a desk and your instructor, your teacher, your educator was sitting there on the chalkboard or, some smart board or whatever the case is, and was sharing things with you educationally that, you know, you're supposed to absorb and be able to apply, right? The same thing here. I provide these breakdowns to you guys so that you can understand my purpose of why I've taken them. I post my trades that I take over on our Discord community just as well as so many other people who are part of the Discord community. What I'll do is I go back to the private community for those who are either elite or ultra elite supporters of, you know, of the channel, and I break my trades down so that you understand the premise and idea behind, you know, my mindset of taking that trade, following market structure, price action, you know, stop loss placement, profit target areas, and so much more. Okay. If you want to understand and follow these breakdowns and truly want to be able to master a strategy, then, you know, I invite you to become either an elite or an ultra elite supporter. There is a link down in the description portion of the video. It's titled elite and ultra elite supporter. Click on that. That's going to take you to, you know, through YouTube, there's a tier membership program for every creator. Like myself, as a trader, I'm not only as a trader, but I also provide content. So I'm a creator here on the platform of YouTube. And there's a membership program that you can actually become part of on my channel by clicking that link down in the description. Once you click on it, you're going to see some tiers pop up. You have the elite and the ultra elite. If you click on each one of those, you're going to see the perks and rewards that you receive. For example, becoming an elite supporter of the channel, right? What do you receive? All my trade breakdown videos, tons of them, plus the video playlist and a great video that I cover surrounding market structure. If you want to become an ultra elite supporter, you receive everything I just mentioned, plus my live recorded trading session videos that I record and post for you guys to watch for info link. That has helped tons of people. Okay, if you don't believe me, you can see the come over to the channel and click on the testimonials. You can see people who are, you know, perfecting or doing well with the strategy, passing their evaluations. Because a lot of people are turning more so to prop firms, but they are, you know, becoming successful by doing so. So if you want to learn something that actually works, you know, the choice is yours. You may choose to want to become an elite or an ultra elite. Again, the link is down in the description portion of the video. Very, very, very inexpensive. It's only $6.99 a month to become an elite supporter of the channel. That's 24 cents on the day. Yeah, but outside of that, if you haven't taken the time to go ahead to subscribe to the channel, please click the sub button down below. Make sure to turn on your post notifications as soon as you click that button. That bell, you want to click that so that you do not miss any of the valuable content here in which I upload here to the channel. And last but not least, if you found some value in today's video, do me the biggest favor and drop a like by clicking the share, give me a like, click that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. And every video that you do watch, please make sure to click that like button just as well. It helps the channel out. It helps me as a content creator and trader provide content here on the platform and get it out where it needs to go. And it gets shared more publicly to those who are seeking and searching or in search of this type of material. Okay, so please click that like button. I greatly appreciate it. Outside of that, guys, that's all I have. Yeah, we're approaching the holidays coming up this week for all those that celebrate it. Again, I've said that on Friday, and I want to wish everyone out there happy holidays for all those that celebrate. Okay, that's all I have, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see everyone in the next one. We have a trading week coming up this week. I mentioned that I probably would not be trading this week, taking some time off. But, depending on what the market does, and if I see a great setup, I may, take a stab here and there. But that's it. All right, take care. See you in the next one.